Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Form video. In today's video, we're doing a gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy A02s. So let's get into it and see how well it performs. So let me go ahead and lower the brightness. That way you guys can see better the image and everything. So some of the games that we'll be testing out is Asphalt 8. It wouldn't let me download Asphalt 9, so that's probably going to tell you a little bit about this. PUBG and Modern Combat 5. So we'll go ahead and play some of these and see how well it does. So let's do Asphalt 8. A lot of people like to play some racing games. So let's see how well it does. Like I said, for some reason I tried to look up Asphalt 9 and it wouldn't even pop up, but Asphalt 8 will do. This is Asphalt 8 Airborne. So let's go ahead and see how well it does, guys. I'll let it go ahead and load a little bit, and we'll also see these loading times, how they do. So let's go ahead and click play. So far so good. Career, and then let's go ahead and play a game and see how well it does, guys. It looks like a little bit stutter. Could be the game. I have fast Wi-Fi, so it won't be the internet, which is great. So let's see how well this game plays. If we'll have any kind of drop frames or lag or stutter or anything like that. So right away, it actually loaded pretty fast, I would say, for what it is. First time playing it, so there was a little bit of stutter there. I don't know if you saw that, but let's go ahead and play and see how well it does. Might be a little hard to play since I'm playing through the camera. Whoa. This is one thing I don't like about this is you have to kind of steer with the screen. So don't mind me, like I said. It's a little hard. I like to do it with the buttons. Asphalt 9 fixed that issue. This one you probably can do it in the settings. So like I said, it's a little bit hard kind of see where you're going just because I'm trying to steer like this and capture footage. There you go, kind of hit him there, so hopefully you guys saw that. Jesus. Wrecked. So the one thing that I can tell you right now is it only has one speaker, so it's the speaker right here, guys, where your hand is. I hate when they only have one speaker just because you tend to cover it up with your hand. So you can see that's where I usually like to put my hand, and it causes the speaker to get covered and get muffled. So like I said, I'm not really expecting to win here, since I'm just, like I said, it's a little bit harder to play this type of game with recording and trying to capture the footage, make sure it's in frame. So let's just go ahead and finish this off. So doing so good, but like I said, that's definitely annoying to have the speaker being covered by your hand. Let's see, we're doing pretty all right. I think I'm in 4th place. Oh, 2nd place. Hey, but we did pretty good, pretty close. So not bad. Not lag at all. I didn't experience any lag or drop frames or anything like that. Like I said, the only thing is driving with your hands instead of buttons or touchscreen would have been a little bit better, but it is what it is. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get to the next game. But overall, racing games you can play. Like I said, the main issue is the speakers right here, and if you're playing like this, which most games, mainly all the games are, you're gonna put your hand there and it's gonna cover that up. So just know that your speaker might be covered. Now, that was an okay game. Let's go ahead and test out Modern Combat 5. This is one of the well-known games that I see a lot of drop frames, lag issues. It's just so graphic intensive. I'm pretty sure this phone can play PUBG, so I want to go ahead and test a game that I've known for a lot of phones to have issues with. So let's go ahead and try this game and see how well it does. So I'll let that load and we'll be right back in just a little bit. Alright guys, so it's starting. So it didn't take that long to load. So I'll be surprised if this game actually handles pretty good without any kind of lag. So far so good, guys. No issues whatsoever. But like I said, once the action actually starts, that's when we'll know. Oh wow, so right off the bat, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the resolution is pretty low, guys. Yeah, let me see if I can get this. Product set, nope. So overall, yeah, it's pretty low quality, guys. Pretty grainy, but like I said, graphic settings are probably set to the lowest. But let's get into it and see how well it does. Okay, so like I said, definitely grainy gameplay. Not gameplay, but graphics. So it's not gonna be it's not gonna be, you know, whoa. It's not gonna be super HD, but as long as it's playable, that's all we care about, right? So no lag so far, which is great. Like I said, I've played with some games, with some phones, and this game was on phone, should I say, and it's been very rough. So let's go ahead and get into it to help them out. So far so good. The phone is getting a little bit warm, not that warm, but it is a little bit warm. Now, like I said, remind you, the graphics are set to basically all the way low. Probably the minimum that this game can even hold. But hey, it's playable. And not getting really drop frames, at least right now. Just bad graphics, that's about it. But definitely playable, guys. Let's go ahead and see what we do here. But yeah, like I said, definitely the phone is getting warmer. Dropped a grenade there. There. And remember, this phone is pretty budget. It's like right at 100, right at $100, so you can get it on sale. So it's pretty cheap. It is Samsung, so they do tend to make good products. But like I said, you can definitely feel, especially after about 10 minutes of playing, the phone does tend to get warm. So here we go. But so far so good. Let's go ahead and see action-packed portion of this. So as you can see, it's pretty fast, fast-paced game, and we're doing fine. Shooting down the chopper. Geez, a lot of action going on, so that's pretty good. It's a lot of action, and so far so good, guys. I'm pretty surprised with it, honestly. There it is. So as you can see, not much drop frames or anything. It's just, it slows down sometimes, but it's definitely playable. So it's pretty good for action-packed games. And there you go. So we should be almost done with this portion of the game. But overall, I'm happy for it. If you need a budget device, this is the one to go with. That can play. I mean, like I said, some decent games. It's Modern Combat 5. It's not, you know, a super old. Whoops, sorry. It's not like a super old game or anything like that. But it definitely handled it like champ. Well, a little bit of lag there, but hey, it's the end of it. Playing was great. Didn't have any issues. I would definitely say this deserves a pass. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try other games. Like I said, I've tried PUBG, same thing. That way I don't make this video too long. But yes, it can play PUBG. If you want me to play any other games, let me know, and I'll make some videos of it. So let me know in the comments below. This is just a little quick gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Brought to you by Dragonic Warfare. Check out the description below for a lot more things. Thank you.